Alright, let's get into it. Tesla, PLTR, and then the Qs, which is the tech sector. Alright. So Tesla. This stock is dude, this stock's about to freaking make me a lot of money, I think. I hope. I don't hope I don't jinx myself. But every time I bought it, it's gone to infinity and beyond. I mean, I bought it pre-split. I bought it right before the introduced into the S&P, and now I'm about to buy it. Or I did buy it. I bought it. Let's see. I bought what at 650. I bought commons at 650 ish. So my price average is like I bought it here, and then I bought some on this dip right here. When I hit this entry point box that I have here that I knew was demand. I knew we were going to get a triple bottom off of it. So if you have a triple bottom, that's usually bullish. Because we came in here and we had an A, B, C, D, E. We had a short D and then an E, and then it broke from this little wedge that it was making. But let's just kind of get into the price structure here. So we had an ABC correction, right? A, and then we had the B, which was the rise up, and then we had this kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to complete the C wave. Let's see if we can go into a smaller little. Alright, I'm gonna get rid of this for right now. So yeah, we had actually that doesn't really show it much. Well, I know this is a 3, and I know this is a 4, and I know this is a 5. So within here, if you can decipher a 1 and a 2 wave, if I had to guess, it probably dropped down to here. That was probably a 2, and then that was probably the 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 makes the C, and so then we went up to 774 to complete a wave 1. Again, I hope y'all are kind of witnessing this pattern that I keep drawing out, but it's so easy to see these patterns once you get into it. This is a wave 1. We had a deeper correction. We had a deeper than expected correction past the 0.786. Usually off of wave 1, it bounces off the 0.618. But market makers love messing with people. They'll get it just right, just literally right. Like they're like, okay, it's gonna break this low, but nope, boom, it bounces. And so then now was a wave 2. So if we have our little waves here, we got our wave 1. We had our A, B, C correction down to wave 2. And then now we're heading to wave 3. And then I think the wave 3, is the extension of wave 1. It's the 1.618 extension. That's why I keep saying 929 is my technical target for this little wave here. And then once we have a 929, I'm probably going to take off, I don't know, maybe a share. And then we'll probably come back down to no more than 781 because it can't go past the it can't go past wave 1. So it would be like from, because wave 4 can't go past wave 1. Yeah, so 929 conservative target. I mean I could see it. See, look, if it stopped at 929, it can't go past wave 1, and I already told you wave 4, which is a retracement, is usually between 0.236 and 0.382. And this thing lines up right on the wave 1 high, so that kind of tells me right there that this is the correct wave count. We'll probably correct down to here, and then boom, we'll go to like 1300 because it would be this. It would be the length of wave 1 would be the length of wave 5. So, and then the last 3 days have been absolutely huge volume green bar days. I think that this right here is it's not the most bullish candle, but look where the Qs ended up, and they ended up flat today. Flat, and we got almost a 3.27% gain. I mean, it was up to like 5% at one point, but the fact that it was green today, along with Neo, another EV company that I've been following. I mean, EV's just so strong right now, even through, and I mean, well, SPY was negative today. See, so I mean, the fact that Tesla was green, shoot, 3%, just shows you how strong that stock is right now. But so yeah, I mean, I expect it to continue to make waves until 929. I'm going to take off some at 929, collect my profits because you never go broke taking profits, and then I might add back on this retracement a little bit, and then we'll go once again a wave higher. Let's look at PLTR. PLTR looking good. Let's see. So this was a wave 1. You can tell by the wave 1. Let's see. Boom. If we take the retracement, whoa. Hold on. I already did the retracements. So the retracement of wave 1, like I said, it loves to come down to this level, the 0.618 and the 0.786. It bounced right off the 0.8786 level, pretty much. It gapped down to here, zoomed up. So I think we're in a wave 3 right now. And so within a wave 3, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves. So I think within the wave 3, this is the wave 1. The wave 1 within this wave 3 retraced identically. Let's see. It traced back to the 0.618. And now the wave, so wave 1, it retraced down to 0.618, wave 2, and now we're about to have the extension of wave 1, which is, so I see it going to 33.76 as a conservative target. I'll take some off here. I mean, we still got a gap here that you have to fill, so that's why I'm pretty bullish on PLTR. So it's got to clear 31.25 and then come to 33.76. Then we'll have a shallow correction, wave 4, and then we'll hit our wave 5 target. Right now it's just kind of just hanging in there. It's kind of just consolidating. We do have a triple bottom off the bottom trend line, and then 2 reactions off the top coming down from price action, so that's kind of good. Hopefully it's not a ABCD in the fact that it came off like this, B, C, D, E, and then we go lower, which I don't think it's gonna happen, because I mean it's just showing nice structure, and we have earnings coming up the 12th, and they've been working with Microsoft and IBD, so, or IBM, not IBD, IBM. So I think we're going to be surprised. I think that's going to be the catalyst that drives PLTR up. We might have a gap down and then we just, boom, take off. I'll go draw my trend lines again. Back. But yeah, I'm still bullish on PLTR. I have 33.76 as a initial share, selling, whatever. Take off a little bit here, then we'll correct a little bit lower, and then we'll go higher, and hopefully make a lot of money. Let's go to the Qs. This graph's gonna be so complicated, but bear with me. So what I got here is I tried to map out the long-term waves on Qs. So I started with the huge February crash, right? So I know this is a correction. It shows that it's a correction, a huge correction. So an A, B, C. And so I knew that, you know, after that huge correction, we're going to start a big impulse 1, a big impulse 2, a big impulse 3 that we're currently in. And then try to track this index so that we can kind of be like, okay, if I got a position in Tesla and I know this is starting a wave 5 that is starting, then the Tesla top's going to be probably the top of the Q's target. And so that, you know, I don't want to go into a position where I go into tech and tech's about to start, you know, starting to sell off. Like if the Qs were like up here, and then, you know, I'm buying Tesla or like any tech stock, then it's a pretty big chance that it's gonna, you know, I'm gonna lose a lot of money. So I'm kind of trying to keep track of the bigger waves here. I got a bigger wave 1, got a bigger wave 2, and I got this bigger wave 3 target hidden 400-ish, this purple area. Within this wave 3, I have a wave 1. Within this wave 3, I have a wave 1, I have a wave 2, I have a huge wave 3 that we had that ended in February. Then we had a huge wave 4 that ended in March. And then we started climbing back up from March to now. It's what, August. We're still in this wave 5 melt up. And how I got this wave 5 target was I just took the length of actually should be the length of wave, was it wave 1? Yeah, length of wave 1. Yeah, length of wave 1. So that's where I started. That's the conservative target. But then you can also take the length of wave 1 here, technically. And wait, no. Sorry. So this was okay. This was let's see here. This is a wave 1, a mini wave 1 within the wave 5 that we're in. So if you take the wave 1, you place it at the wave 4 low. This was my target for wave 5 in this little box. But you can also take like I said, how we get wave 3s on a bigger scale, right? We can take the extension. This extension, 389, is the extension of this huge wave here. Kind of trying to see if I can double click on this 389 to show y'all the coordinates. So yeah, right here, from the C low, from the correction C to the wave 1, we have a 389, and that kind of lines up with my target of 394. So it's hard to gauge where this is actually going to stop. So that's kind of why I'm kind of using rectangle boxes, and we know that wave 3 can go past 389. So we're just going to have to keep a check on the MFI, the sentiment, where prices probably going to start, prices probably going to start declining, and then once we start hitting the wave 5, it's going to start, you know, increasing. There's all sorts of stuff to figure out and know when the wave's ending, but like I said, we have within this wave 5, we had a 1, 2, 3, 4, shallows 4, and then we're in our wave 5. And I think a lot of people on the internet right now are saying, oh, we need a huge correction. We're in August. August is a bearish month, but I don't see that happening until September. I can see that happening in September. I think we're just gonna keep melting up. I think the FANG stocks, I think Tesla, I think Apple, I think Apple looks great right now. 1, 2, we reached our wave 3 target of 149, and now we're just doing an ABCD. It's gonna be 3 reactions on the bottom, 2 reactions on the top, and we're going to let's see, the length of wave 1, place at the wave place at the wave 4 low right here. So we'll go around 162. This is kind of the plan I got right now. It's just wedging. But yeah, that's my Tesla PLTR and Qs review. If you've got any questions, let me know in the Discord. Try to keep you up to date as much as possible. I like these videos. It's quick. It's easier to explain everything. I feel like I'll get a better visual representation of it. And yeah, that's all I got.